So there's so much information on internet about starting your online store that it's really overwhelming, and it's really hard to actually know exactly what to do. Everyone is suggesting using this platform, another one is suggesting using different platform, and everyone all of a sudden forget about what's really about building a brand and a profitable online store. It's not about another platform that is good or better than the previous one. Because look, you don't think when you buy online, you don't think like, oh, am I buying this from Shopify platform, or am I buying this from PrestaShop or WooCommerce or whatever. You're just buying the stuff. You don't think. So the platform is not necessarily as important as everyone tells you. Hi, I'm Chris, and I would like to tell you the solution to this problem. Because the solution is not to find another platform, is to build a brand that actually resonates with your dream customer. So you have to find your dream customer. You have to find who is this person exactly. You have to know everything about this person, and then you have to build a website around this, like the one that will resonate with this customer. Optimize it for conversions. Build a funnel that will increase your ACV, which is average cart value, and do a lot of other stuff that will actually build a brand that is trustworthy and like gain your customer trust straight away. There's also building a brand identity, selecting colors, selecting fonts, selecting like icons, graphics for your website, and everything. All of this should resonate with your dream customer. So if the person's open your website, like land from Facebook ad or from Google ads on your page, they straight away need to find your website, your brand as a trustworthy and real brand, not just another like shop built on like in 5 minutes on the weekend. This is how you differentiate from other brands that are built every single day, and this is how you build a real business, real brand that that is sellable in the future if you want. So here's a couple of brands that we've created using a brand like this, like brand template like this one. It solves so many problems at the beginning. You don't need to think about brand identity, you don't need to think about your colors, you don't need to think about how this everything looks like and how to make the columns wide enough, and like design everything. You've got this all in one template. So there's like great design that builds trust straight away. There's a consistency in color and graphics, so your customer is not confused on what's happening. Like everything leads him from visiting, from being like unknown to the brand, to trusting the brand even more. And when the customer actually trusts your brand, the selling is much easier. There's also a funnel software that is installed with every single brand, and it gives you the endless possibilities of creating multiply funnels like for every single purpose. And it will also increase your average cart value, which can turn your business from unprofitable to profitable. Also, there's an A/B testing function, so you can like test if this landing page actually works better than the other one, which makes whole optimizing for conversion much easier. And there will be more video tutorials for you if you want to change anything on your website, because it's fully customizable. You can change everything. And the best part is that you can get this all and many more features on the price that is lower than actually some of the funnel software's 1 month subscription. Everything will be set up for you. So basically you will get the copy framework where you can place the text, and we will put everything on your website. The colors, the secondary colors are also customizable. So each single template that we sell is different than the other like person who buys the same template. It's customizable to fit your brand, to fit your logo, and that's like gives you almost unique website. Additionally, you will get the funnel software that normally costs like $299 every single year. And you got the page builder software, that the premium version that costs like $49 per year, and another plugins that cost, you know, like about $100 altogether. You can now go and check our brand library. Just click on the button somewhere here, and it will take you to the library where you can find the template that will actually fit exactly in your niche, and it will help you increase sales, and it will, you know, like build trust with your customer, and the selling will be much easier, and you can build a real brand based on this template. You can still grab those templates in a very promotional price, but the deal will soon end. So please hurry up. Take care. Thank you for watching this video. I see you soon, and I will be happy to work on your brand and help you reaching your success and create profitable online store. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.